Sarah is going to shotgun a beer.
This is crazy.
I don't trust her. Sarah, come on, go, let's do it. Oh, you're lame. You're so lame.
Does that work?
The hole wasn't too big enough.
That's great.
I don't trust you at all. It's all on the ground. What are you doing?
Just pour it out the top. It does the same thing.
Yeah, so basically you're making a hole that's the same size as the original one.
My grandma can shotgun better than you.
Well, that was totally worth it.
Wow, Sarah. I'm impressed. Is that it? What do they teach you in Tallahassee?
I guess you're in remedial shock.
Well, I guess I won't be doing one since I didn't see a successful one. Do you have anything to say?
I'm a loser.
Thank you.
Pull the top too soon. Are you supposed to pop it?
Why do you even pull the top
And
in the
then
first place?
Because it has to release the air. You know, like if you